Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT scroll not working. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. So step 1 is to check your internet connection first, as a weak or intermediate connection could hinder the performance of the ChatGPT. If you suspect that your internet may be the cause, consider trying to refresh the page to see if the issue persists. Step 2 is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, navigate to your browser settings, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security option, and then go to Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to select the options for clearing cookies and cache image and files, as well as cookies and the other site data, and then proceed to clear the data to remove any potential issues caused by the stored files. Now step 3 is to consider trying a different browser. If you're currently using Google Chrome, you might want to switch to alternatives like Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Testing the ChatGPT in a different browser can help you determine if the problem is specific to the original browser you're using or it is more widespread. Step 4 is to disable browser extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with the functionality of the certain web applications. Temporarily disable all the browser extensions you have installed and then refresh the chat to see if this resolves the problem you are facing. Now step 5 is to check for updates. It is important to keep your browser updated, so make sure that you have the latest version installed, as updates often contain important security patches and performance improvements that could affect how web applications run. Now, step 6 is to clear the local storage. In your browser setting, look for the section dedicated to Site Setting or Local Storage option. From there, locate ChatGPT and clear its local storage. This action can also help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the issues you are experiencing. Now, if none of the previous steps resolve the issue, reach out to the support of ChatGPT for further assistance. Visit the official support page for the ChatGPT, where you can provide the detailed information about the specific issues you're facing. And make sure to follow any instructions or advice provided by the support team to troubleshoot the issue effectively. And that's it, you are done.